Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be doing one of my reading. It's the weekend and I am busy because I've been doing a lot of spring cleaning, and I'm happy about that because I need to do it. Also getting rid of some clothes, and I have extra bookshelves, so I'm moving around books because I found that I was like cramming one of my bookshelves and it was starting to fall apart. So that wasn't a good thing. So right now I am reading, I picked up Bane. It came out early. It was supposed to come out on the 10th and it came out I think like the 7th or the 6th or the 7th. So I was happy about that. So but it's a little more serious than I thought. She got a little serious with this one. So yeah, but I'm enjoying it. I just think it's not, I'm a little bit surprised it got that serious. But anyway, I'm also reading Ruined by D.E. Eliot, and this book is going to be my focus for the weekend. I am literally gonna just read this alone for the weekend, and I want to finish it, you know, hopefully by Monday, and review this one. So that is the goal in between my cleaning, is this one. So other than that, I've been having a good week. Relaxing and basically cleaning. So I'm going back to doing that. Well, not right now. I'm actually gonna get my nails done. They're bad. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this wonderful spring weather that we've been having on the East Coast. It is not too hot, it's not cold, it's just in the middle, and I'm loving it. So anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.